Assalamu alaikum dear students. So we solved half of the question in our last lecture. We will proceed from that half. Now up to cost of goods manufactured or cost of finished goods, we find out, we solved the question that was unknown until cost of goods manufactured or cost of finished goods here means that in the month of September we produced the finished goods whose cost is unknown now, but we will check out that either we have the finished goods remaining from the previous month or not. So if we looked out in the questions, so yep, we have the 15,000 finished goods remain from the month of August. So we will add these 15,000 finished goods in the month of September. Why? Because these are not sold out in the month of August and are produced in the month of August. So these will be sold out in the month of September or in upcoming months. That's why now we will add the cost of these finished goods in the month of September. They will become the beginning or opening, beginning finished goods, beginning finished goods means on 1st of May 2017. The how much? The 15,000. Now 15,000 is the finished goods remain from the previous month, and in the current month we also produce the finished goods which is unknown. So how much now total finished goods we have? Total finished goods available for sales. What we will do on the finished goods? Automatically, just a minute. Total finished goods available for sales. What we will do on the finished goods? Automatically we will sold out the finished goods. So yes, for the sales, how much finished goods are available? Again, unknown. Why unknown? Because unknown is the current month production, this cost of goods manufactured, and 15,000 is of the previous month remaining finished goods. When we add both these two, so answer will be unknown because the current month production is unknown. Today is the end of the September. When I check the warehouse record, so in the warehouse some finished goods that is remain unsold. How much? The 17,500. 17,500 finished goods that are unsold. That is the remaining stock of the month of what? September. That will be sold out in the upcoming months. So what we will do? We will subtract their cost from here. So let's ending finished goods. Ending finished goods means on 30th May 2017. How much? Minus 17,500. Okay. So now 17,500, these are our what? These are our ending finished goods. Any remaining finished goods, unsold stock of the month of September. So how much the cost of goods we produced? For that, now CGS, cost of goods sold, CGS, and cost of goods sold, that is given. If you checked here now, so the cost of the goods sold, that is 1,11,000 and how much? Yes, 1,11,000. So now this is too much easy that we can calculate this is our CGS. CGS already given, so now we can easily calculate the unknown or missing amount. How we can calculate? Now we will go in reverse way. Reverse. And in reverse, what we will do? In reverse methods, we will add the ending inventory and will minus the beginning inventory. In the normal way, we add the beginning and we less the ending. But here now, when we finding out the missing item in the reverse method, so what we will do? We will add the ending and we will subtract the beginning. Clear or not clear? So now what we will do? Look at 11,000, 1,11,000 minus 17,500. So now we will add this 1,11,000, 1,705. We will add. When we will add this amount plus this amount. Just a minute. Now 1,11,500. So what is the answer? 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. Clear now? Okay. Now 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. And 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. So $1,28,000. If from $1,28,000, when we subtract 17,500, so answer will be 1,11,500. Now look at 1,28,500 beginning inventory 15,000, that is plus. So what we will do? Now here we will minus when we minus 8, so what we will do now, look at 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. Clear? Now 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. In a 1,28,500 minus 15,000. 5 minus 0 is equals to 5. 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1 and is equals to, here 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. So 1,13,500. 1,13,500, that is equals to, plus 1 is equals to, now if we add these 1,13,500 plus 15,000, so is equals to 1,28,500. Now 1 lakh, this is our cost of goods manufactured, means that the 1,13,500 we produce the finished goods. Now ending work in process minus 13,000. So now 1,13,500 minus not. We will add. Why? We find now we want the total manufacturing process. So total work in process. So 1,13,500 plus 13,000. So 1,26,500. That is our total work in process. So from total work in process, what if we subtract now, we will check out also dually, we will check our this 1,13,500 plus 13,000. So 1,26,500. Okay, from 1,26,500 beginning work in process 9,600. In the normal situation we add, but in the reverse method we will subtract, we will minus. So 1,26,500 minus what? Minus 9,600. What will be the answer? 1,26,500 minus 9,600. So is equals to 1,16,000. 1,16,900. This is our answer. Here we find out what? We find out the total manufacturing cost. That is how much? 1,16,900. If we looked out, so we add the direct labor and we also add the factory overhead. Clear? And total manufacturing cost is equals to direct material cost plus direct labor cost plus direct plus FOH cost. Now we need the material cost. So if we need the material cost, what we will do? We will subtract. Look at, when we add material cost plus direct labor cost plus factory overhead cost, so that will be equals to 1,16,900. Now the two are given, direct labor and factory overhead. The sum of these is 75,000. So we can easily find the material cost. How? Total cost, this total manufacturing cost minus 75,000. 1,16,900 minus 75,000. So what will be the difference? That difference is material cost. How much? 41,900. How I find this 41,900? Locate from 1,16,000. I subtract the 75,000. And what is the difference? That difference is 41,900. So if we add, look at these 41,000 and plus 75,000, again that is equals to 1,16,900. Answer will be 1,16,900. Clear? Now we find them again the missing items of what? The missing items of total material available for the use. So look at this is manufacturing material cost. From material cost less ending direct material. So now in this case we will add the ending material with material consumed. Why? We want to calculate the missing total material available for the use, this amount. So 41,900, clear, minus 7,400. Now we will what? We will add, because this is reverse method. In reverse we will add the ending. So plus 7,400, that is equals to 39,300. We find out the 39,300. Clear now? Okay. Look at now 39,000. Sorry, 49,300. 49,300. Yes. So if we look at, if we subtract this 7,400 from 49,300, they will definitely answer what? 41,900. Okay. Now this material available for the use, how much? That 39,300. So now 8 purchases. 8 purchases, this is missing. So what we will add? We will now here beginning 7,000 from, look at beginning material and purchases. The sum of these two is 49,300. Now how we can make the purchases? How we can find the purchases? So purchases is equals to total material available for use minus beginning inventory. Clear? So now they did 49,300 minus 7,000. How? Look at the summation, the sum of beginning material and purchases. This is equals to 49,300. Now we know the beginning material, that is 7,000. So how much will be our purchases? So from the sum, from the summation, from the total, we will subtract 7,000. What will be the difference? Their difference is what's? Their difference is our purchases. So 42,300. Now look at, if we add these 42,000 to 300 with 7,000, so they gives us 49,300. So this was our CGS statement through by reverse method. Means we calculate the CGS statement and here we put the double lines. Double line means in accounting that we don't have anything after this. Now we will calculate the income statement, because our requirement is the income statement. So I will write first, I will write the name of the company, then I will write the statement name, then I will write the, now here, just a minute, look at, this is our income statement, and for the month of September. Now Now, so I make the now how much is the sales, because income statement, this is manufacturing business, so our sources of revenue is sales. So now sales is, from question we will know that how much is the sales. Sales for the month, that is $1,82,000. How much? $1,82,000. $1,82,000. Okay, sales. If there is any sales returns in the questions are given, so we will subtract sales returns from the sales, from the gross sales. But here in the questions, no sales returns are given, so it means that this is our net sales. From sales, we will subtract the cost of the goods sold, CGS. So less cost of goods sold, CGS. How much? Minus 1,11,000. Minus 1,11,000. Okay, so sales minus CGS is equals to gross income, yeah, gross profit. Gross profit or gross income, you can also write gross income. How much is the gross income? Now what we will do, we will subtract the cost from the sales, the goods which we sold out on 1,82,000. Our own cost was 1,11,000. So $71,000, this is my gross profit. The 1,11,000 goods we sold out on 1,82,000. So 71,000, that is our gross profit or gross income. Now from here, gross profit, we will subtract the expenses. But if we looked out, so marketing expenses, general and admin expenses, this is also called commercial expenses. So we will subtract less commercial. What is the nature of these expenses? These are called commercial expenses. Commercial expenses. Okay, so commercial expenses, general and admin expenses. General and administrative expenses. This is also called general and admin expenses. How much? That is general and admin expenses. These are given in the questions here, 22,900. So 22,900 I will write in the inner column. Marketing expenses. Marketing expenses. These are how much? 14,100. 14,100. We don't have no more expenses. So if we don't have no more expenses, we will add all these two expenses, clear, and then we will subtract it from the gross profit. So that 37,000 is the total expenses. Now income before income tax. Yeah, this is also called operating income. Income before, still income taxes are included in this amount. This is also called what? EBIT, income before interest and taxes. Okay, so now here what I should do, I will subtract these expenses from gross profit minus this expenses 37,000. Now the 34,000, this is our income before the taxes. As taxes are not given, so this is our answer. So dear students, hope you will understand these questions, that how we can calculate the CGS, how we can calculate the income or so if you have any problem, so then you can ask me the questions. For till now, Allah Hafiz.